The great advances often come from very unexpected places. We look for young scientists who have really made a difference. They're smart, they're curious, they're driven, they're actually doing what they want to do.
I see success as a two-sided coin. One side is really pushing forward the boundaries of what we know about the world, and that's a really important and exciting piece. And the second piece is really using that knowledge to make a difference and improve people's lives. To a first order, the future of Earth's forests really do lie in our hands. And using mathematical models to predict which forests might be most vulnerable, which regions, which trees, it could fundamentally alter how we predict and model ecosystems. This would have immense impact on society and really the future of this planet in the next century.
A fundamental feature of molecular biology is that DNA makes RNA, which then makes protein. For a long time, we thought that RNAs were made up of 4 bases, A, G, C, and U. But it turns out that there is more to the story than just those simple 4 bases. What we were able to find a few years ago was that one modification in particular, it can help control the way our genes are expressed. Translation is very important for a variety of diseases, for instance, cancer. So what we're trying to do now is focus on what this modification does and how it contributes to human health and disease. One of the great things about science is that we as scientists are all part of this larger community where we're constantly sharing new ideas and learning from one another. And I think awards like the Blavatnik Award help that process because they not only recognize the scientists, but they recognize the discovery.
Obesity and its consequences, liver and muscle insulin resistance, are strongly linked to diabetes pathogenesis. And so we need to understand both what drives obesity and what drives obesity to lead to diabetes. And that's one of the major drivers of our research. We wanted to find a drug that would hopefully treat diabetes. This new drug that we were working with, I remember injecting it in several doses in rats, and it was clear almost immediately that it was completely effective, and it's evolved from there. We're now on the 2nd generation of this compound. Both it and its precursor have been very successful, and so it could have tremendous public health implications. These studies have only been done in rats so far, and so the next step will be to take them to human trials. I'd love to be doing research in a world where we're driven really only by what is interesting and important research to be doing, and not by our ability to get funding for it. Being selected for something like a Blavatnik Award is really confirmation that people are aware of what we're doing, and I'm tremendously honored to have been selected.
With the Blavatnik Awards, I think the whole program has really blossomed. Everybody can really be proud of the amazing upward trajectory that this has had.